today we will learn Dutch or Netherlands about several words here, and disclaimer, I'm not a native, but I try to contribute a little bit based on my perspective. So please take this with a grain of salt because I cannot implant my throat. I also don't have any plan to do some surgery, so this is the best I can do. Thank you. Let's start it. The small or lowercase letter here above is just how I try to remind myself when I have to pronounce this based on Indonesian letters or based on the NATO. These are Dutch words and these are the English translation. N, ein. The D itself has to a bit bold. Sometimes my Indonesian native's tongue not bold enough. I will repeat. Eind, 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 N. Sometimes I'm more into ein, but the D itself should be a bit bold. And this one, Indonesian D is D, but Dutch D is D, D. In English, it is translated into two words, then and then. In Dutch, is in one word, which is dan. There's interesting fact in Indonesian, this is N, but we pronounce it as dan. In Dutch, dan, it means then or then. In Indonesia, bahasa Indonesia, dan is N. This one, that, in Dutch, dot, daar, there. Dus, thus, or so. Zo, so. There is interesting thing here. We have two words which are of and als. This of, it has two meanings. One is or, the other one is if. And this word, als, it has also two meanings, as if and also as. And these both words of and als, they have one same meaning, which is if. And we have one word, if you translate this one into English, it can be into several words. To, for, at, about, or many others. You can try to find it by yourself by browsing it, the translation. Or if you want to replace this word into English, it can be in many words. Over, or, why my or is into Dutch or? or KLAAR. These two words, it means over. Over. In English, in Dutch, over or KLAAR. Van, from or of. And for this word itself, van, because this Dutch word van is from or of in English, and the English word van, when I try to figure it out how you call it, it turns out it has at least 3 words. Well, these are phrases, but in Dutch, we often find that several words can be intact into one word. This one also from bestel and then wagen. Bestel is order, but in this case is deliver or delivery. Wagen is vehicle or bus, or auto, car. You put it in one word, whether bestel wagen, bestel bus, or bestel auto, van. Or maybe just van or minivan, it's also possible. Because in Dutch is omdat. So we can see here, I'm Indonesian. I keep repeating I'm Indonesian, it's okay, so you kind of figure it out why I'm not so fluent in Dutch based on my throat stuff and my liquid compartment at my throat. This N is N in English. This dan in Indonesian is N. So that's how it works with my brain. And this of in Dutch, in English it becomes or if. This of in English is van. And the fan in English, it becomes this one. Yeah. And now, this one, it has om and it has dat. Dat is from this, that, and om here. But it's one word, omdat, because. And we also have dar and om. One word, daarom, therefore, or that is why. There is also an interesting thing here. I will go here first. We already learned about so, and we put it together with this one, als. The als as, the zo, it becomes such as, but one word, zoals. The such itself is zulk. And we have another one that has als in the word, as part of the word, which is alsof. This als, it can be if, and it also can be as. But if you want to say or to pronounce, or you want to say as if, alsof. Alsof. With that being said, we kind of know that this als as and this of as if. Even though this als Also can work as if, but it's not als, but it's also as if. Thank you.